Welcome to YouTube channel Physics Theories and Numericals. So we are providing you high quality MCQ videos for easy and joyful understanding of physics theories and concepts for life. Once you understand the theories and concepts, handling of MCQs and numericals will be easy. Also welcome to the best MCQ series videos for ICSE Class 10 Physics. We have designed this best MCQ series videos with lot of care. Here we are providing you high quality MCQs starting from very basic fundamental level moving on to more difficult level of MCQs. With each and every MCQs we are providing you explanation so that you can refresh your concept and strengthen them. These are just not video, these are mock tests. With each and every MCQs we are providing you reasonable time through a timer so that you can get to your option before we take you to the answer. If you calculate, these videos are with very high learning volume to time spent ratio. This video is for 16 MCQs and I think it will be around 20-minute video. So if you calculate, you will get a very high learning volume to the time spent ratio. So we will suggest you to go through the entire video, enjoy the high quality MCQs and take the learning from it. This video is for series and parallel resistances for current electricity chapter. The first MCQ. Find out the resistance between point A and A. 4 options for you, 10 seconds time. Your time starts now. Time's up. This is the answer. The answer is option C. Let's understand how it is. You need to basically trace the path. You need to travel from A to F. So if you walk down, the resistances come on the way are 10 ohm, 50 ohm and 80 ohm. All of them are in series one after another. So total will be 10 plus 50 plus 80, that is 140 ohm. Next MCQ. What will be the equivalent resistance between A and D? 4 options, 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option A, that is 30 ohm. Again, you need to walk from point A to point D. Only thing here, at point E, there are 2 paths. So between E and F, there are 2 parallel paths, each of them 20 ohm. So that will give you 10 ohm. 2 number 20 ohm resistance in parallel will give you 20 ohm. So the total resistance will be A to E is 10 ohm, E to F is 10 ohm, and again F to D is 10 ohm, total 30 ohm. Next MCQ. What is the resistance between A and B? 4 options, 10 seconds time for you. Easy one. Your time starts now. Time's up. The answer is 3 ohm. Again, you travel from A to B. From C to D, there are 3 parallel paths. The upper part is 1 ohm plus 1 ohm plus 1 ohm, that is 3 ohm. The upper path, middle path is 2 ohm, and the bottom part is 2 ohm plus 2 ohm plus 2 ohm, that is 6 ohm. That is 6 ohm plus 3 ohm plus 2 ohm in parallel. You find out the equivalent resistance. You can do it by 1 by R way, or you can do it in a little smarter way. See, 3 ohm and 6 ohm, if they are in parallel, they will give you equivalent resistance of 2 ohm. So first you handle 3 ohm and 2 ohm, that gives you 2 ohm. So it becomes 2 ohm and 2 ohm in parallel. Again 2 ohm and 2 ohm in parallel will give you 1 ohm resistance. So if you do it step by step, maybe it will be easier. Okay, anyway, so these 3 parallel paths giving you equivalent resistance of 1 ohm. So total resistance of the path is 3 ohm. Next one, again find the equivalent resistance between A and B. 4 options, 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. It's easy. Still, if you Required time, do pause the video, take your time, do it yourself and come back to the video after you have got your answer. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option C, that is 9 ohm. Again, you need to travel from point A to B. It's easy. In between, there are three resistances in parallel. So 12 ohm, 6 ohm, and 4 ohm. So 12 ohm and 6 ohm will give you 4 ohm. Then it becomes 4 ohm and 4 ohm in parallel. So finally, three resistances in parallel will give you 2 ohm. Again, you do step by step. The way in the earlier MCQ I told, 3 ohm and 6 ohm gives you 2 ohm. Similarly, 6 ohm and 12 ohm will give you 4 ohm equivalent resistance. Then 4 ohm and 4 ohm in parallel, that is 2 ohm. So these three resistances will give you 2 ohm. So total resistance will be 2 plus 2 plus 5, that is 9 ohm. Again, find the resistance between X and Y. 10 seconds time for you. Easy one. Your time starts now. Hope you got your answer. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is 8 ohm. Easy. So, the middle part, two resistances in parallel. Again, 3 and 6. 3 and 6 will give you 2 ohm. So, middle part is 2 ohm. So, total resistance is 3 ohm plus 2 ohm plus 3 ohm. That is 8 ohm. Now, three resistances each of 4 ohm are connected to form a triangle. Now, the resistance between any two terminal is, what is the resistance between any two terminal? This is a part of a triangle with 4 ohm each side. So what is the resistance between two terminal? 10 seconds time. Time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Look at the picture. So resistance between A and B is basically 4 ohm and 8 ohm in parallel. So 4 ohm and 8 ohm in parallel will give you 8 by 3. Hope you are liking this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not already subscribed. Like, share and comment on the video and press the bell icon. Let's continue. Again, find the resistance between point A and B. 4 options, 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answer is option C. Let's understand. We need to get the concept very clear. See, this vertical line, any solid line, any straight line without any resistance shown in between, they are basically same point. So these two vertical lines encircled by red circle, they are basically same point. So the entire line is point A, and in the right hand side the entire line is point B. So what you can find, between A and B, these three resistances are in parallel. So here it is, three resistances in parallel, 3 number 2 ohm resistances in parallel. So it becomes 2 by 3. Next MCQ, we are slowly increasing the complexity. Now in the vertical line below A resistance has come up. So what will be the equivalent resistance between A and B? 15 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Put in your thought, do it yourself. If required, you take more time. So what will be the equivalent resistance between A and B? Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option C, 1.2 ohm. Let's see how it is. Again, let's go step by step. So this vertical line is basically a single point. The entire vertical line is point B. And so now you find out the equivalent resistance between point C and point B. That is basically two numbers, 2 ohm resistances in parallel. So it will give you 1 ohm. So now it has become easy for you. So finally it becomes the upper line A to B straight one is 2 ohm, and the lower part it is 2 ohm plus 1 ohm, that is 3 ohm, that is 2 ohm and 3 ohm in parallel, that will give you 1.2 ohm. Next one made little more complex. Again, below B in the vertical line one more resistance has come up. Now what is the equivalent resistance? Four options for you, 15 seconds time. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answer is 1.25 ohm. How it is so? Let's have a look. Now, see between C and B, again there are some resistances, some are in series, some are in parallel. So you can see between B and C, between C and B, it is 2 ohm and 4 ohm in parallel. So that will give you 1.33 ohm. Now it has become easy. So finally it becomes 2 ohm and 3.33 ohm parallel. 3.33, how? A to C is 2 ohm and C to B is 1.33. Total 3.33 in parallel with 2 ohm. That will give you 1.25 ohm. Look at the circuit diagram. What is the current? What is the value of I? Four options, 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. I'm sure you got the answer. Let's see the answer. Answer is 1 ohm. Here again, it is 3 ohm and 6 ohm in parallel. That means total resistance of the triangle is 2 ohm. Current in this battery voltage is 2 volts, so current will be 1 ampere. 2 by 2, 1 ampere. So 3 ohm and 6 ohm in parallel, so it is 2 ohm, so current will be 1 ampere. Next MCQ. What is the resistance between point A and point B? Four options, 15 seconds time for you. Time starts now. A nice one. Think it carefully. Have a close look. If required, take extra time. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is 0.5 ohm. How it is so? Let's take a close look. So this circle shown in red here, this is basically single point. As I told, the continuous line is a single point. That means for all the four resistors, one side is connected to A, the all other four sides which are connected to the circle, they are basically connected in the same point. So between A and B, there are 4 number 2 ohm resistances in parallel. So it will be 2 by 4, that is 0.5 ampere, 0.5 ohm. Next MCQ. Here it is not a zero resistance line. Here resistance has been told of this line. What it says is a wire of resistance 12 ohm per meter. It is bent. This is wire with some resistance 12 ohm per meter. What is the length of that wire? It is 10 centimeter. Now it has been made a circle. Now you need to find out the resistance between point A and point B. Four options, 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Easy one. Do it carefully. Once you go step by step, you will find things easy. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answer is option C, that is 0.3 ohm. How it is? Total length is 10 centimeter. That means total resistance or this wire resistance is 1.2 ohm. Now it has been made in two parts. A to B, there are two paths. So each path is 0.6 ohm. That means 0.6 ohm and 0.6 ohm in parallel. So it will be 0.3 ohm. Hope you are finding things easy. Hope you are liking this video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment on the video and press the bell icon. Let's continue. If an wire of resistance R is cut into three pieces and the pieces are joined in parallel, The equivalent resistance will be 4 options. 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Option D, that is 1 by 9R. See what it says. Resistance R has been cut into 3 pieces. That means each piece will be R by 3 because length has become 1/3. Now 3 pieces are put in parallel, so it will be again 1/3. So 1/3 of R by 3, that is R by 9. Next MCQ. Now equivalent resistance of two resistances is 10 ohm. Two resistances in parallel when they are connected in series. Two resistances when connected in series, equivalent resistance is 10 ohm, and when connected in parallel, that is 2.4 ohm. What are the value of these two resistances? Connected in series 10 ohm, connected in parallel 2.4 ohm. So what are the resistances? 10 seconds time for you. Easy one. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answer is option B. Here options are given. You could have right away put the values and checked. It could have been easy. But if the values are not given, if you are to solve it, so what is given? R1 plus R2 is 10, and R1 R2 by R1 plus R2 is 2.4. That is R1 R2 is 24. Then you solve it for R1 R2, you get the values of R1 and R2. But here, as the options are given, you can right away do the multiplication. You can see the value of R1 R2, you can get to your option. But if you have to solve, you need to form this equation and solve it. Next MCQ. A standard complex configuration of resistances. Very often this is asked in various examinations. A very standard type of complex configuration. So you can see the diagram, 3 resistances, they are connected in a complex way. You need to find out the equivalent resistance between point A and point B. 4 options, 15 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is 1 ohm. How it is so? Let's make it simple. How? See, this thick line connection without resistance shown in between, basically that same point is connected. So you look at the green points. That left A point, it has again come to this green A point. These are basically same point. Again, this B point, also this middle point between 2 ohm and 3 ohm resistance, that is also point B. So now you take a close look. What you find between point A and B? All these resistances are connected between point A and B. That means 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohm, these 3 resistors are connected in parallel, absolute clean parallel, because all of them are connected between points A and B. So parallel of 3, it will become 1 ohm. Easy. So what I was saying, that R1, R2, R3, these 3 resistances, all of them are connected between point A and B. So it is 1 ohm, option D. Next MCQ. A similar one, a complex configuration, complex connection of resistances. So you need to find out the resistance between A and B. 15 seconds time for you. 4 options. Time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answer is again 1 ohm. How it is so? Let's understand. So this vertical line, that is basically same point. The entire vertical line is point A or point B, the way it is shown in red and green. Now you see how the resistances are placed between A and B. They are placed in 3 OAs, 3 parallel paths. The left hand side, that is 1 ohm and 2 ohm, that is connected between A and B. 3 ohm, that is also connected between A and B. Again, right side 1 ohm and 2 ohm, that is also connected between A and B. That means 3 ohm, 3 ohm, 3 ohm, 3 numbers, 3 ohm connected in parallel. So it becomes 1 ohm. Easy. So hope you like this video. We have solved different configurations of resistances in an easy way. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment on the video and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye till we come back with the next video. Bye.